The 2018 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat-loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, security system, CD player, MP3 player, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.